How to fix Telegram downloaded files and media not showing. So if you want to fix your Telegram downloaded files and media are not showing, then first you need to just tap and hold on to your Telegram application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Go with the app info. Under the app info of your Telegram, you need to go with permissions. And under permissions, you need to make sure that you've allowed the permissions of files and media, which is your photos and videos. Go with photos and videos and you need to select always allow all. After allowing all of these, you can also just go back and then allow all of the permissions right here, which is location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, every option. After turning on the permission, now you can go back and you need to go with files section. So tap on files. Under files, you can scroll down, go with internal storage. Under internal storage, you need to scroll down. You may have download. Under download, you will have Telegram. Or you can also go with your Android option. Under Android, you can go with media. And under media Android, you can scroll down and here you will have Telegram option. You can go with Telegram and you may have your files. You can go with Telegram again. Here you will have your images and your videos. So in this way, you'll be able to fix your Telegram downloaded files and media are not showing problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.